Hey, now, listen to me. For the ones who don't know and want to know, I'm about to put you down. This is the proper way on washing clothes. You ain't heard that one before. You gonna put your color with the color. You gonna put your white with the white. You gonna put the jean with the jean. Then with your white bag and your white towel, put them together. Your color rags and your color towel, you gonna put them together. Now it's time to get ready to wash. When you get ready to put them clothes in that washing machine, don't jam pack that washer. You want them clothes to be able to toss and turn and not be jam packed. Because if they jam packed, they're not gonna get clean. Okay? You want them clothes to shake that dirt out of there. Get it out of there. You can't get it out of there. You can't get clean. Okay? Let's be mindful. Go!